Meaning of Horse Guards Parade.
Horse Guards Parade.
Horse Guards Parade.
Horse Guards Parade.
Horse Guards Parade. Horse Guards Parade is an area in central London, adjacent to St. James's Park. It is a large open space that was historically used for military parades, notably the changing of the guard. Today, it is mainly used for ceremonial purposes and events such as trooping the color in beach volleyball during the Olympics. The name comes from the fact that the area was originally used for practicing mounted soldiers, or horse guards. It is also the location of several important buildings, including the Household Cavalry Museum and the Cabinet War Rooms.